my friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy and grateful to have you here with me today. Today I have like a mini haul of beautiful dresses that I wanted to share with you that are perfect for the summer days coming up. This is a small business that sent their beautiful dresses to me. They gifted them to me and I received them in the mail, tried them on, and they're absolutely beautiful, great quality. So I wanted to share them with you. By no means are they paying me to let you know about these dresses. I just thought it would be great to share amazing finds that I think are perfect for everybody's closet. And also, this is a small business that is close to home, so I absolutely want to give them my support, and I'm just super excited to share these with you. They're beautiful, they're perfect. I just can't wait for you to see them. I'm going to leave their website on the description box below. Their website is mycurvejoy.com. I'm super excited for you to see these beauties, and I just can't wait for you to tell me what you think and which one is your favorite. Before we do get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the try on portion of today's video. This first dress that I want to talk to you about is absolutely stunning. Just look at how beautiful all the colors are. This is the Rosy dress, and this is only $43.99 on their website. You do have the off-the-shoulder option and this little tie that you can tie at your waist. I think it's so beautiful. I just am absolutely in love with it. It is long, so I'm wearing just like some wedges, but I love it. What do you all think? So absolutely stunning. Me encantó. Está bien hermoso. Super beautiful. I think this is like one of my top favorites for sure. Next up is this beautiful lemon dress. How gorgeous is this pleated, like half of the dress? I think it's so beautiful. This dress is called the Dixie dress, and this is $66.99. It is like a skirt and a top, but you see how right here it is all like together. This little cutout right here. Love the top. It has like the collar and it has little buttons right here. You can actually button up a little bit more, and these sleeves are absolutely so fun. This dress is so beautiful and it definitely makes a statement. Está súper hermoso. I just love this dress so much, and it is like super comfortable as well. What do you all think about this one? So pretty, and I think it's perfect for summer. So this next dress is called Love, and it's this beautiful dusty pink dress. Look at how gorgeous it is. This dress is $39.99, and I think it's so beautiful and it's so perfect for summer. The material is very breathable and so fresh. You want to stay fresh and comfortable but look super put together and cute, you're going to love this. I love the little sleeve detail. It has buttons all the way through, and it looks like this, but I just like to fold it. And then it has this tie waist, and look at these beautiful ruffles. I just absolutely love it. It is the comfiest dress ever, and it looks super cute as well. What do you all think about this one? So pretty. Alright guys, and this is the last dress. This beautiful kind of denim dress is absolutely gorgeous. It is off the shoulder as well, and it has a tie waist right here, and it is a wrap dress. So it is so beautiful. This one is called the Stephanie, and it is $39.99. I think this is so gorgeous. It is super comfy. The material is amazing. I know it's a little bit wrinkled right now, but I'm telling you, the material is so fresh. I just love it so much. This is absolutely gorgeous, very fresh and perfect for the hot summer. So I absolutely love this one. What do you all think about this one? Alright friends, and that is the video. Let me know which of these dresses were your absolute favorite. I absolutely love them all. I just can't really choose one, so let me know which one was your favorite down below. I will have mycurvejoy.com linked down in the description box below so that you can check out their dresses. They have other dresses available. They actually had sent me another one that I It was my fault. I picked the wrong size and it didn't work out for me, but it was beautiful as well. And it was more of a casual piece, but I'm just super excited for these pieces. They're absolutely gorgeous and I love supporting amazing people. So I am super excited to bring these to you. Thank you, Curve Joy, for sending me these pieces, for thinking of me. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you for being here and hanging out with me. I will see you on the next video. Bye, friends.